lesson number 2. In our previous lesson, we learned the vowel and consonants of Korean language system. If you haven't checked the video yet, I'll put the link in the description box below. Alright, today we are going to learn double consonants. Okay, let's see what double consonants are. The same consonants, when they sit together next to each other, they produces a different sound, a very stronger sound. And their formation like that is called double consonants. Here are 5 double consonants in Korean language system. Today we will learn that. This is the list of those double consonants. Let's see how to pronounce. Boo, 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 like in bomb. J, j, like in jam. D, d, like in twin. G, like in goat. S, s, like in sun. Along with these double consonants, there are some more complex and compound vowels in Korean. Here is a list of those. For your better understanding, I have break down the complex or compound vowels. See, a, like in bread. A, like in bed. Yay. Okay, I hope you remember that double stroke means Y. So this is yay, like in yep. Yay, like in yes. Ui, like in kiwi. Alright, this is the trickiest part, I guess, for many learners, but you'll get the hang of it once you try to practice it more. Wa, like in what. We, like in when. We, like in when. These two are not differentiated anymore in speaking Korean. They both sound the same. We, like in we. We, like in whenever. Wo, like in Moana, wo. Today we learn the double consonants and complex and compound vowels. Practice more, write it down on your notebook so that you can see time to time to learn better. Alright, that's it all for today. Thank you for your kind attention and please like and subscribe my channel.